everyone, Gaming Tutorial here, and today I'm going to show you how to install Killer in Purple 2. Now I'll leave a link in the description to this website. After you've opened the link, you will see these two options. The first one is FNAF Killer in Purple 2, which is for 64-bit computers. But the second one is FNAF Killer in Purple 2 for 32-bit computers. So if your computer is 64-bit, then click here. If it's 32, click here. Now, after that, you will just click on your operating system. Now it should start downloading. It's so heavy, so it might take some time. Okay, yeah, there it goes. Now, if this video helped, please like and subscribe because it helps support my channel. Now, see you next time.